So today, I'm showing you guys how to install the Paragon Performance Billet Cap Covers on your C8 Corvette. Super easy install. We've got 3 different colors, your standard red, black, and blue, and of course, 2 different designs for you, from the Paragon Performance logo to the official GM branded Corvette flags. So pick out what color and design you like, and let's get them installed on your C8 Corvette. So, starting off here at the front of your C8 Corvette, we're going to open the frunk and we'll see the first 2 caps we're going to take care of, which are the windshield washer fluid and the brake fluid cap. So, starting off with the trickier of the 2 caps up here, that is, of course, the brake fluid cap. So, we're going to make it a little easier on ourselves and take that off and bring it over to the workbench to ensure that we get that cap seated on there properly. So to get this cap cover installed, it utilizes some teeth here on the back that will grab into the plastic of your OEM cap and ensure that this thing stays stuck down. So it can be a little tricky, so we will remember the orientation it came off the car. Go ahead and line it up with our cap cover and apply some pressure down to get it stuck. And just like that, we now have our cap cover installed. We're ready to throw this back on our car. So to get our washer fluid cap installed, this once again is a super easy install. There's no adhesive needed on the back here. You're simply going to set it down on top of your washer fluid cap like so. And then all that's left is we are going to start tightening this little threaded section underneath until we can no longer by hand. Then we will utilize a small Allen wrench and finish tightening it down all the way. And just like that, we are now done with both caps up here in the front of the car. We can now move to the back and finish up the last 2. So the first cap cover we are installing back here in the engine bay is the coolant cap. Now this does utilize a circular piece of 3M here on the back of the cap. But before we peel that down, it's a good reminder, we're gonna wipe down and clean our cap surface that the 3M will stick down to before we install it. So now that we have the 3M peeled off, we are going to orientate our cap and simply apply some pressure down. And just like that, our coolant cap cover is now fully installed. And last but certainly not least is our oil cap back here. This cap cover once again utilizes 2 pieces of 3M here on the back to stick it down. So before we stick it down, we do want to ensure that the cap itself is clean. Once you've cleaned it, we can peel this 3M and get it stuck down. And just like with the coolant cap, we will orientate our cap direction and simply apply some pressure down to get it stuck. And just like that, we now have our oil cap cover fully installed. And there you guys have it. You've now got all 4 of your Paragon Performance Billet Cap Covers fully installed on your C8 Corvette. Whether it be a Stingray, a Z06, or an E-Ray, you're ready to rock and roll to your next car show, stand out and show off your unique Paragon cap covers. Whether it be the Corvette design or the Paragon logo, red, black, or blue, doesn't matter. You're gonna make your C8 Corvette unique with these products. If you want some, you better get them. They sell out quick. Links are down below in the description. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.